So I'm going to wet that sun just a touch. And that water is going to soak into the granules in the paint, sediment. Let it sit just a moment. Be careful not to hit anything else. I'm going to dab it off. And hopefully that sun's going to get lighter. If it doesn't, then I'll try the sponge. Now you don't have to do this just once. You can do it a couple times. Don't let the water go everywhere. Keep it right on the sun. So some colors are staining colors, like a dye. They go right into your paper. They do not lift up well. Other colors are greens. We used to call them stains and greens. So we want to be kind of aware which are which. I don't have it exactly memorized myself. You can probably see that water reflecting. It's going to look light. I'm going to let it dry. Now, that sun is a little bit lighter. So this lifting off thing is starting to work pretty good. You can rub a little bit to help it up. They have what's called scrubber brushes, and they're little stiff brushes that allow you to kind of roughen up the paint to dig into the fiber and lift off. Whoops, how do you jump in there? So they work pretty well. I tend not to use them much